Shangshui Vorlenmix Cyclic High-Efficiency Slurry Mixing System. The Vorlenmix Cyclic High-Efficiency Slurry Mixing System is a groundbreaking product from Shangshui. This system can prepare the slurry within an hour for each batch, which reduces energy consumption by 10 to 15% and significantly saves operating costs. The three main modules are a material feeding system, a precision-engineered powder liquid mixing system, and a cyclic fine dispersion system. The key lies in the cyclic high-efficiency slurry mixer and the cyclic disperser. The slurry mixing process is feeding, powder liquid mixing, and cyclic fine dispersion. 1. Feeding. Powders, both active and additive, are handled. The active materials are lifted to the feeding station by an electric hoist, then conveyed to the active material bin either by gravity or through pneumatic means. The additive materials, after manual unpacking, are pneumatically transported to the additive material bin. Liquid substances, such as solvents and conductive agents, are transferred to cyclic tank A after careful measurement. 2. Powder liquid mixing. A rotor pump transports liquid in tank A to the mixer, and then back to tank A, ensuring the continuous cycle. The active and additive materials are carefully measured and introduced into the slurry mixer via a rotary valve and a magnetic filter. The liquid gets gradually infiltrated, then the solid content slowly increases and reaches the design value, while the slurry viscosity reaches its peak when all the powder has been added. The mixed slurry can either continue circulating between the mixer and tank A for viscosity reduction before being transferred to tank B for fine dispersion, or it can be directly transferred to tank B for fine dispersion. The next batch of feeding and powder liquid mixing continues in the mixer and tank A, with fine dispersion of the previous batch of slurry in tank B. 3. Cyclic fine dispersion. The cyclic disperser plays a key role in this stage. Slurry undergoes rigorous turbulent shearing within the narrow gap of the multi-layered fixed and rotating rotors of the cyclic disperser, positioned at the base of tank B. This breaks down agglomerates and further decreases viscosity to produce qualified slurry. After dispersing, the slurry is transferred to a buffer tank and finally stored in the finished product tank after cooling, filtration, iron removing, and degassing, etc., ready to be coated. The Vorlenmix Cyclic High-Efficiency Slurry Mixing System sets are innovative by using a cyclic high-efficiency slurry mixer for powder liquid mixing and a cyclic disperser for precise dispersion. The traditional powder liquid mixing plus cyclic dispersion process changes from sequential to concurrent process of powder liquid mixing or cyclic dispersion. The optimized process enhances mixing efficiency and system capacity.